Alright, so I finally got the frame back from JW Coatings, the powder coater, and it looks awesome. So the thing about powder coating is you obviously can't get all the way down into these gaps. So for rust prevention, I got this stuff, fluid film. It's pretty much like a spray wax. You attach this attachment to it, and then you spray it down into these cavities. That way it keeps the inside lined so it doesn't rust from the inside out. Had to get a little smart. I think I'm gonna tape up all these loose ends when I fish them through the frame. That way I'm not fighting them. What are you doing? Come on. Shoo. There, go. I'm busy. Go. Got some progress done. I failed to record any of it, but I got the bars on. Some of the cables ran through. Obviously my little tape trick worked. Made it a lot easier. Put some foot pegs on, put the suspension back together and greased it. Greased the bearings in here. Put my little styrofoam in there. Rerouted the cables. I gotta clean up the wheels and the engine. The engine's not so bad, but the engine cover is pretty gnarly, so I gotta redo those, and then I can start assembling it to start it up for the first time again. Was going to get it blasted and powder coated, however, the entire kickstart assembly is bolted into here, and I really don't care to disassemble it that far in order to just spray this white. So as you can see, I've taken it down to bare metal with aircraft stripper and then a wire wheel, and I've sanded some spots. It's not going to be perfect, but you know, for what I'm looking for, it's going to look just fine. Make sure you all wear your proper safety protection, your PPE. I've got the kickstand and the exhaust. I dunked them in my sonic cleaner, got them as clean as I could. I sprayed them down with brake clean, and I was gonna spray bomb them with some exhaust paint, but I'm out and I don't feel like going to AutoZone to get anymore, so I'm gonna be Cerakoting them, which, if you know anything about Cerakote, it's just a really, really thin coating that you spray with a spray gun, and I seem to have lost it. Where did I put my Cerakote? Uh-oh. So this is an exhaust coating. So it's air dry only. You don't have to bake it. Typically Cerakote you have to bake. It's supposed to be good to 2,000 degrees. Not that this exhaust will ever see that, but it looks really good and it sticks really well. So that's, and I have it laying around. So. Tupperware full of evaporust. Evaporust is typically clear when you start. That looks a hell of a lot better. Alright, I waited a couple weeks for this from Canada. A gentleman on the Express group and Facebook sold it to me for a great price, and I'm super stoked. This bike was ridden quite a bit. Somebody spray painted this, and I'm gonna sand it and spray it the right color of my bike.